Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from radical equations given that x is less than 3. So let's get started straight away with our substitutions. We'll consider square root 3 minus x equal to a square root 4 minus x equal to b, and square root 6 minus x equal to c. Now we have x less than 3. So a must be positive, b must be positive, c must be positive. Now we will write our equation in a, b and c. So this is a, this is b. Here we will write b and this is c. So ab plus bc plus ca equal to x. So ab plus bc plus ca equal to x. A is positive, B is positive, C is positive. So A plus B must be positive, B plus C must be positive, C plus A must be positive. I will take B common from these two terms. So B is common, in bracket we will get A plus C. And here we have CA only. So I will be adding A square to both sides. A square. So in RHS we have to write A square plus X. Now we can take A common from these two. So we will write B times A plus C plus A times C plus A equal to, after squaring both sides here, we will get 3 minus x equal to A square. So in place of A square, we can write 3 minus x. Then we have plus x. Plus and minus x will get over. C plus A is common, or A plus C is common. We will write A plus C times A plus B equal to 3. Let's say this is our equation number 1. Here we have added A square to both sides. Let's add B square to both sides. So we will write here AB plus B square. Then we have BC plus CA. In RHS we need to write B square plus X. Now B square will be 4 minus X. Then we have plus X. Plus and minus X will get over. We will get 4 in right hand side. And in LHS, if we will take B common from here and C common from here, we will get B times A plus B plus C times B plus A. So we can write A plus B times C plus A equal to 4. Let's say this is second equation. And similarly, if I will add C square to both sides, I am going to get our third equation, B plus C times C plus A equal to 6. This is our third equation. Now we will multiply all the three equations. So I will write here 1 times 2 times 3. So I can write here A plus B whole square times B plus C whole square times C plus A whole square equal to 3 times 4 times 6. 12 times 6, 72. Now 72 can be written as 36 times 2. So in LHS we can write A plus B times B plus C times C plus A whole square equal to 6 square root 2 whole square. Now we have to consider square root both sides. So we will get A plus B times B plus C times C plus A equal to plus minus 6 square root 2. Now A is positive, B is positive, C is positive. So A plus B must be positive, B plus C must be positive, C plus A must be positive. Product of three positive numbers cannot be negative. So this minus sign will be rejected. Now we can write our fourth equation. A plus B times B plus C times C plus A equal to plus 6 root 2. So let me write here A plus B times B plus C times C plus A equal to plus 6 square root 2. Equation number 4. Now we have to divide equations. Let's divide equation 4 with equation 1. So we will write LHS of equation 4 divided by LHS of equation 1. So A plus B times B plus C times C plus A. This is equal to 6 square root 2 divided by LHS of equation 1. A plus B times C plus A. And in RHS we have to divide by 3. Now we can cancel A plus B from numerator denominator, C plus A from numerator denominator. 6 over 3 is 2. So we are going to get here B plus C value. It is 2 square root 2. Let's say this is fifth equation. Similarly, we will divide fourth equation by second equation. We are going to get C plus A value this time. And value will be 6 root 2 divided by 4. So we will write 3 root 2 over 2. Equation number 6. Similarly, if we will divide fourth equation by third equation, we are going to get A plus B, which will be equal to 6 root 2 divided by 6, means root 2 will be our RHS, and here we can write equation number 7. Now we are going to add these three equations. So let us write 5 plus 6 plus 7. So in LHS there will be 2 times A plus 2 times B plus 2 times C. So we can write here 2 times A plus B plus C. And in RHS we will write 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2 over 2 plus root 2. Now 2 root 2 plus root 2. We will get 3 root 2. So we can write RHS equal to 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 over 2, which we can write 6 root 2 over 2 plus 3 root 2 over 2. Denominator is same. So we'll write 2 as a common denominator. 6 root 2 plus 3 root 2. So we'll be getting 9 root 2 in the numerator. And in denominator we have 2. In LHS we will write 2 times A plus B plus C. Now we have to divide both sides by 2. So we will cancel 2 from numerator denominator. So we can write A plus B plus C equal to 9 square root 2 over 4. And this equation will be our 8th equation. Now we will write equation 5 and equation 8. So I can write here equation 8, A plus B plus C equal to 9 square root 2 over 4. This is our equation number 8. Now we will write equation number 5. It is B plus C equal to 2 root 2. Here we'll write this is equation 5. Let's subtract 5th equation from 8th equation. So we will cancel plus and minus b, we will cancel plus and minus c. So there will be a only in the LHS. And in RHS, we have to write 9 root 2 over 4 minus 2 root 2, which will be equal to 9 root 2 over 4 minus 8 root 2 over 4. Now denominator is same. We will simply subtract our numerators. 9 root 2 minus 8 root 2 over 4, which will be equal to root 2 over 4. So a is equal to root 2 over 4, and a was our substitution is square root of 3 minus x. Let us square both sides. We will write square root 3 minus x equal to square root 2 over 4. Now we will be squaring both sides. So let us put part 2 in LHS, part 2 in RHS. We will cancel square root with a square in left hand side. So we will write 3 minus x in the LHS, and in RHS root 2 square will be 2, 4 square will be 16. Now we can cancel 2 and 16, we will get 1 over 8. This will be equal to 3 minus x. So we can find the value of x, which will be equal to 3 minus 1 over 8, which will be equal to 24 over 8 minus 1 over 8. So 24 minus 1 is 23. Denominator is common, denominator 8. This is our required answer, which is less than 3. So our final answer is 23 over 8. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.